Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. Happy Friday. I'm so happy to see all of you today. Thanks for all of the talk about thankfulness this week and how thankful you are for the people in your life and for things that you have. I want to give a shout out to Mrs. Tickle. Mrs. Tickle, thank you for teaching us about thankfulness yesterday and how that can help us to be a happier person. I want to start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we're going to do one more thing talking about thankfulness this week. So please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat at your desk. Sit up nice and straight. Show me a good slant. You all look amazing. So today we're going to talk about writing thank you notes, and I want to share with you a thankful note, thank you note that I wrote, and I'm getting ready to put in the mail. Here it is. On the outside it says, thank you. And on the inside it says, Dear Mom, thank you for the birthday dinner and for the birthday present. You're amazing. I love you, Steve. She calls me Steve, not Mr. Wright. That would be weird if I signed it Mr. Wright. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the mail today. Send it off to my mom. Give her a little thank you note. That was so nice. Last week was my birthday, and she took care of me. We had dinner at her house, and I got a birthday present. That was so nice. It made me feel great, and I thought I should write a thank you note to her, and then that will make her feel good too. What we're going to talk about today is thank you notes, and I want you to take some time and think with your class. Tell your class all of the different times you can think of when you should write someone a thank you note. So maybe they did something nice. Maybe they gave you something. Maybe they just did something thoughtful. So when is a good time to write a thank you note? If you see me out on the playground today, tell me some of your ideas. Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.